The unexpected adventure. Mia had always been a creature of habit. Definition: someone who likes routine and dislikes change. Every morning she followed the same routine. Wake up, make coffee, and read the news. But today was different. Today she found a letter in her mailbox that would turn her world upside down. It was from her eccentric great-uncle Arthur, whom she hadn't seen in years. Inside was a plane ticket to Italy and a note. "Come find me, adventure awaits." Mia hesitated. She wasn't the adventurous type, but something inside her whispered, "Don't miss the boat." Definition: don't miss an opportunity. Before she knew it, she was on a plane, watching the world shrink beneath her. When she arrived in Rome, she realized she had no idea where to start. The letter had no address, no instructions, just the promise of adventure. She felt like she had been thrown in at the deep end. Definition: put in a difficult situation without preparation. She wandered through the bustling streets, searching for any clue about her uncle's whereabouts. Suddenly, a man in a suit bumped into her, knocking her bag to the ground. "Watch where you're going," she snapped. But he was already disappearing into the crowd. When she picked up her bag, her wallet was gone. "Just my luck," she groaned. "I should have kept my eyes peeled." Definition: been more watchful. With no money and no idea where to go, she sat on a bench feeling lost. Just then, a kind-looking old woman approached her. "You look like you've hit a brick wall." Definition: reached a point where progress is impossible, she said with a smile. Mia sighed. "I was supposed to meet someone here, but now I don't know what to do." The woman thought for a moment. "If you need help, go to the cafe on Via Rosa. Tell them Rosa sent you." With no better plan, Mia followed her advice. The cafe was a charming little place, and when she mentioned Rosa's name, the barista's face lit up. "You must be Mia. Your uncle told us you might come." Relief washed over her. She had been grasping at straws. Definition: trying anything to fix a bad situation. But now she finally had a lead. The barista handed her a note. "Mia, if you're reading this, you're already proving you can think on your feet." Definition: react quickly to situations. "Meet me at the Colosseum at sunset." Excitement bubbled inside her. Maybe this wasn't a disaster after all. That evening, as the sky turned orange, she spotted Uncle Arthur standing by the ancient ruins, grinning. "Well done, kiddo," he said. "I wanted to see if you'd take a leap of faith." Definition: take a risk without knowing the outcome. Mia laughed. "You could have just invited me to lunch." "But where's the fun in that?" he replied. "Now let's paint the town red." Definition: go out and have fun. For the first time in her life, Mia felt truly alive. Maybe, just maybe, it was time to stop being a stick in the mud. Definition: a boring or unadventurous person, and start embracing the unknown.